So here we are. These are my Birkenstocks. This is the Tatacoa model. And what do you know? The notorious rivet failure happened on mine. So, these rivets are supposed to go here, like so. It just popped out. Doesn't look like there's any serious damage. These rivets are dinged up. So what I'm going to do is use pliers to see if I can get rid of those rivets. This is the plier that I'm going to use. It's a pretty beefy one. It's a fairly heavy duty. So what I'm going to do is see if I can gently push this rivet like so and see if I can cut it right there, that gap. So just pop it and just cut. You see that little protrusion there? Cut it right there, and hopefully the rivet will fall out, and then I can get new rivets and bang them into place, or just get them in there and use a hammer and then flatten them out. So that's the plan. So my first idea is to just get it out by cutting it in that little gap there with my pliers. I'm going to try and see if I can do that. So I've got it just positioned there. I'm going to try and see if I can cut it out of that spot right there. What do you know? I was able to cut the end of it and hopefully see if I can knock this out of there. That way I can put new rivets into place. So you know that in your Birkenstock Tatacoas, this leather strap has come out of its holes, the two holes there, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. The basic idea is to use a special kind of a rivet that goes through, and use a washer here so that the tear doesn't propagate anymore and become any larger in size. And then lock the rivet against the washer. And in this process, I'm going to show you, you have to first glue the washer to the leather using super glue, and then run the rivet screw through it so that the hole will hold through. Let me walk you through this. These are the special rivets that you're going to have to use, and it's a screw type rivet. So you have one side of the rivet here and the other side of the rivet. You just screw them together like this. Once you're done, the rivet forms a complete pair. Now what I'm going to show you is that you need to thread a washer in between, like so. So this washer will be glued to the leather. That way the hole will not expand anymore. And then when you tighten the rivet, the two portions of the rivet screws together, the leather strap will hold together in place with the washer as a backing. So what I'm going to do is take this little washer, apply a spot of super glue on it, and stick it to four drops. Stick it to the top hole here. Like so. And do the same thing with another little washer. Stick it to the other hole here. I've got both of these washers mounted to the hole, and that washer is going to prevent the hole from expanding further and tearing further when you start mounting the whole thing together. So the washer has got two sides. It's got the thread side, which is capable of taking in the riveting screw, and then the tiny little screw here, which has the threads. And so what you can do is you can just turn it around like this, and it's a flathead screw. And so what you do is you run the screw on the top side of the strap and put the receiver on the other side, and then screw it together through the washer. So now you take the strap here, which has come out, and what's nice is you take the screw side, put it up on top, it fits snugly into this hole, and run the rivet side on the opposite side of and through the washer. Same idea. Take another rivet, put it through the bottom hole here so that it comes out nice and clean through the washer. Now we've got two of these washers with the receiving holes, and all we got to do is take two screws, put the screws out here on top, like so. Another screw out here on top, like so. And the holes come in nice, and the rivets come in. The opposite side of the rivets are through the hole. All you need to do is thread the screw into a hole with a flathead screwdriver. Here's a flathead screwdriver. Here's a flathead screwdriver. Thread it into the rivet. And just tighten it like so. Do the same thing with the rivet on the bottom hole. Through the washer, to the receiver, and take a flathead screwdriver here, like so, and tighten it. Just tighten it like this. Once you've got the screw started, you should be able to tighten it quite a bit. Same thing on top and the bottom. Tighten it, it's just snug. Then the bottom, the same thing, tighten it. You see the screw? Yeah, tighten it till it's snug. And there you have it. That's how you fix a broken leather strap on the Birkenstock Tatacoa.